will notice you if you do that. So if you don't want to accident, you need to follow the rules of our instruction. That's what I'm telling you, that we need to
Reciprocate.
process to make the process good. So
This is good.
to make ice cream yummy. And if you
Process
are
good or
and if you
ano,
are
process
accident, the driver will apologize to you because he is right or wrong.
Stupid.
No, don't say that thing because
Because you're gay.
Because
I'm not taking care of them. It's like please, if you understand them, you can. It's true.
It's true. It's to you.
Sabi mo the benefits of that is your smile. Because if you smile, you are so happy.
Ako kasi BJ.
Sophia, nabigyan ako ng pera, hindi naman pala. Iniwanan ako sa ano. Ba't lang
kung ako
kumakain?
yan, bigyan ako ng tulong.
Yeah. Yes naman.
Ito ako.
Balik pala.
My brother told me
Na ano?
everything.
What everything? What is everything?
To my family.
You're dead?
No, it's because simple things make different from others.
Oh.
Like you.
Oh, what's like me?
Her.
And her.
And them.
And there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What
Because-
about them?
I'm so hungry.
Oh.
I can finish my work in progress. because,
Load in progress.
because it's already recess.
Recess?
Yeah.
Oh.
I can eat all you can.
In lunch buffet?
Kaya bili na kayo sa karinderya namin. Mura na, mahal pa.
Nag-English? Nag-Tagalog na rin.
I don't want to speak English na again
Why?
because I'm tired. Yeah.
Tired? Why speaking tired?
Because you are laughing me. Yeah.
Ay, dumaan na.
Because I don't wanna miss a thing.
Because you're worshipping.
No.
So what?
Because the worship in India.
What happened?
Helicopter.
Worship in helicopter?
Yeah.
Harry
because
Potter.
It's floating under beside of the nation.
Oh, nation.
Because it's nationwide. Yes.
BJ.
Okay, kumana din.
I be walking my way, you go your path. I go my path.
Just quiet and rest.
Yes. Rest in peace.